Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I'm doing a fun card for you using the Swirly Frames stamp set. I always love stamps like this where you can just kind of design your own backgrounds or you can make the frames for things, but I just came up with something really sweet. We're going to be using all of these subtles colors and I'll tell you about them in a minute. So let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our stamping. So you need a piece of Whisper White cardstock. And this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5, Whisper White. And I'm going to stick a piece of background paper down. This is just a piece of grid paper here. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the So Saffron ink pad. Oops. All right. And I'm going to first use the big giant circle for that. So I'm just going to ink this up. And I'm going to stamp this one. I'm going to stamp off just a little bit. This one's going to go right like so. Perfect. And I think that's the only one I'm going to need of those. So I'm going to wipe it off with my chamois. All right, and that's clean and ready to be put away. That's all the So Saffron I need. All right, next we're going to go with the pool party. So pop that open. And I'm going to do the smaller circle, the one that's kind of round. I'm going to ink that up. And I'm going to put one right here. And I'm going to put one right here. Okay, and I think that's all for that. So wash that off. And that one's done. And that is all the pool party. All right, next we're going to do the soft sea foam. And I have the rectangle here. I'm going to ink that up. And I think I'll put one, let's see, let's put one right here. And I'm going to turn one this way. And I'm going to do one right here. Fun, okay? And it doesn't really matter where you do them. That's all the soft sea foam we need. And then finally for my last color, I'm using the Blushing Bride. And I'm going to do the last little square here. Ink this guy up. And I'm just going to do one of these right here. There we go. And that's all the Blushing Bride I need. Simple, right? Doesn't that look cool? Clean that off. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Fun, right? All right, so the Swirly Frames stamp set doesn't have any sentiments, so we need a sentiment on here. So I grabbed actually, these are the Merry Christmas dies. So they come with these words, so holiday, Merry, and Christmas. And it has these two rectangles that you could do, but it also has the word happy. And so that's what I wanted to do. So I could use this as a birthday card or whatever, different card. So anyway, I took that happy and ran it through my Big Shot. Now with our dies, you can use them with any die cutting machine you have. But once you run it through, you get something like this. And I ran this through on Blushing Bride cardstock. Isn't that cool? And so I'm going to grab my silicone sheet or silicone mat here because I'm going to stick a tiny bit of glue on the back. So I have my multi-purpose glue. And I just want a tiny bit, and I just want to stick some glue in a couple places, just a few dots. You don't need a ton, just to hold it in place. Okay, that should work. And now if I pick this up, all right, I'm gonna move this out of the way, and this is gonna go right on the front. Let's see, happy is going to go right here. Isn't that cute? Happy. All right. So now I have a piece of soft sea foam cardstock, and this measures at 4 by 5 1/4. And we're going to go ahead and mount this right onto that. So I'm going to grab my snail. Okay. And this is going to go right on the front of the soft sea foam. Then I have a piece of Blushing Bride cardstock. This is 8.5 by 5.5, and this is our card base. Fold this over. And we will go ahead and adhere this. All right, and this is going right on the front here. And then to finish this off, we need a little bit of sparkle. So I have these sequins here. And I have my take a pick tool to use. This is the my new paper piercing end. And I'm just going to stick some of these. So these are in the soft sea foam, I believe. They come in 4 or 5, I don't remember, different colors. All right. And that is my card. Wasn't that so simple? And it's happy. And here's one I did earlier. It's very similar. Aren't those so sweet? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.